Okay, so today we are going to do the translabial graft. I got it from the concha. It was like 3 centimeter long and about it was like 10 centimeter, not 10 centimeter, 10 millimeter wide. And we split it in the center like a pea pod, put it together, and then we shaped a pretty nice strong strut. Really extra long, 3 centimeters. So this is where we want it. Let's take a look over here. So he wants it lifted so you can see it's gonna go all the way down and lift right there. So I might trim it down a little, but I really want it high. So I'll get it in there, might trim a little bit, but then I push it all the way up like a tent pole, so we'll show you. Let's get started. Okay, so we are 1 week post-op, and I want you to see the profile. You can see the change in the chin. It's amazing, and I really want you to notice the tip. Compare it to before surgery, and it is so strong you can bounce a ball off it if you wanted to. So this is what I like about the translabial approach. You know, you can really stick in like 3 centimeter long strut without a problem. So that is just amazing thing, and very happy. We'll keep you posted.